Hi there, this is Dina Okba. I'm a miniaturist and I do the art of recycle. If this is the first time you know me, so see my videos, and if you like them, subscribe to my channel. I really need your support. I need a lot of comments. I need a lot of activity on my channel, because will help me a lot and help the channels to grow up. So hit the notification bell on all so you can see all my videos. And I need your opinion and what we can do, what else we can do. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Rahim, guys. Now these are two shampoo bottles. I got them from the hotel. I see that they look like the kettle, so I have to cut them from up and from down, and I have to cut the piece down like this. Now the cover, I'm not gonna throw it. I can use it like making some pot or some cooking pot, a small one for boiling eggs or whatever. Now after I cut them, I will have this kind of two piece like this. This is the one on top, and the down piece is like that. Okay. Now what the next step is, I have to spray them before I glue them. I have to cover that line. Okay, there's a lot of bottles from the hotel. I take them always and they use them like this. Okay, so this is a black spray paint and a silver spray paint. After I spray them, they're going to be like this. I'll have to make sure that they are dry, because I don't want to leave any marks on them. Okay, so there is two ways of gluing them. Either I use the super glue all around, or I just put them on a hot plate, like I make them so, and then I put them together, so the plastic will melt together and it will make a very strong bond. But I prefer to put super glue. I don't have to put too much quantity. Why is that? Because if it leaks, it's going to spoil the silver color, the silver spray I have done. So I have to make sure to put a minimum amount. And I put it like this, and they keep it for some time. It will dry quickly. Another way of doing it, I just fill it inside with the plaster of Paris. Then it become hard, then it will hold it. Now I'm using here Fimo clay, because it's the best way of making the handle. When it dry, it doesn't get small, it doesn't shrink. I will form here a handle thing, and I make sure that this is the size I want before I put it in the oven. Now I have to read the instructions on the Fimo about the oven, how many degree and all the stuff, because every kind is different. After it comes from the oven, I just spray it in black like this. All right. Before I glue it, I make sure that it is really fitting. I use here same super glue. I don't have to put too much quantity, as I said, because I don't want it to leak. Once I put it, I won't change the place. Okay. Now let's say that it leaks and it spoiled the thing. Then I have to paint it with the brush, not with the spray, silver again, but with the brush this time, not with the spray. Now I have to make the base, the down base, the electricity one. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. First I have to put glue for this. Oh, Oh, no, 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 no. It's upside down. Come on, I have to change it. Turn it. Come on, Dina, turn it. That's not right. Oh God, yes. This. Now, if I really want to put water in it, I have to make hole in the kettle itself and add a hole on top also, so it will be, I can put water, but there is no need for that. Okay. Now, for putting the cover, I have this plastic part. Now I can do it. How can we do it? We can do it by melting plastic. The technique, you can find it on in my videos, how to make it like that. Maybe this is like a medicine cover or like a chewing gum or something like that. Then I'm using a pen. I'll spray it in black on top and this one in silver. Then I have the cover. Guys, if you have any question, you can leave it for me in the description box. Excuse my English, but I'm trying to do as much as I can. Yes, then here we go. That's the kettle. And now it's the time to do the base. You can put on the sides a magnet, and it can be as a fridge magnet. And it's from the recycle amount. Now I have here transparent plastic, and I will color it with the glass color because I want to make the electricity thing. I have to glue it here, but I don't want to glue it from outside. I want to make a deep hole inside here, and I will put this so it will look more normal, natural, and it won't fall down. Okay, now let's go and do the base now. So I'm gonna bring another bottle which is the same. I'm gonna fill it with the glue gun, the glue. It should be the same bottle because otherwise it won't fit. I make it round carefully. If it comes out from the side, it's okay because we will trim it in the end. Now I don't want it to be sticky, so I have to put here some Nivea cream or some hand cream or something. Then I will put this. When I put it, I should not put too much pressure, but I should also be careful that it should not lean to the left or to the right. I have to fix it all the time to make it like straight. So all the pressure will be the same from all around. Use a piece of wood, but it won't fit nicely with the kettle. Now this is the Scooby-Doo. It's a wire, a plastic wire. We use it in craft. And here is the rest of the pin. I put the head of it in the cover, and now I just have to make the wire, electricity wire, the plug. So I cut two small pieces the same size. Okay. And I will stick them together. There's two ways. I can use Fimo, put them in Fimo, or I can use glue gun. Very small, that's why it's sticky in my hand. It's fine. Make it should be straight. Don't worry about the excess because we will cut it later. But it should be firm and it should be straight. Okay. Now when it's cold a little bit, I have to put another layer so it will cover it all. Now, before this layer dry, I have to join the wire with it. It and press. Should be straight. Don't make it too much flat, little bit. Keep it little bit thick. Wait. Then I have to trim it and cut it the same size as the plug. Very careful. And I will cut the excess with the scissor. And we have a plug. Now I don't want to spray it with the spray because I don't want to cover the what they call it, the nail I put here. I don't want to cover it with black. It should be silver. So the best thing is that I'm using a black nail polish so I can control which areas I want to make it black and which areas I want to leave it silver. Nail polish is really nice. It dries transparent and it dries shiny, and it's nice. That's the reason I didn't use spray in here. That's the wire, and keep it for some time and it will dry. I put it on the side now, and I will see what happened to the base. Okay. Now look, it's dried and it's like bumpy a little bit on top. I'll trim and remove the excess. I make it as much as I can smooth. Then, yeah, now it's fitting. It won't move. Now it's time to stick the wire with it. Oh, where is the wire? Yeah, it's here. A little bit long. I have to cut. I do not need to have it long, so I will cut a little bit. I use that other part in something else. See, I don't throw anything because the art of recycle, you have to keep everything. Okay, now that's the size. See the wood? This one is more perfect. Okay. Now, how can I stick it? I'll put a little bit glue gun. Then I put this one. Then I put it to be flat before I put the second layer on top. Make it firm. Okay. Make it like that. So it will follow the curve. Things you cannot see it later because we are going to spray it. Here we go. And now we'll make sure that it is fine. Let's remove the excess. We will spray it in black. Now after spraying it, that's how it is. Put it like that. We're done. Or trying to clean it and remove whatever excess is there. If I need to put another nail polish black on top of it, then it's okay. As I told you, you can use it as a fridge magnet. In this case, we have to glue the base with the kettle. They don't have to be like movable. then and I put the magnet on the side so I can easily put it on the fridge. If I want to use it as a something for the dollhouse, then it's up to me. Here we go. I hope you like it, guys, and please try to do something similar. uh, Write in the comments, show me what you do. I can ask all your questions, and if you have some other ideas, please let's share the ideas together. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and you can I will leave the links for you for my pages, and you can ask anything you want. MashaAllah. This is another one, another kettle. If you want to know how I did it, you can follow my TikTok. Here we go. Make it silver. You can make it brass color. It's only that you have to use a different kind of spray. Then you will have a lot of variety. I hope you enjoyed the video. Keep your thumbs up and leave a comment for me. And I hope that you can see you next time. If you really find the video useful, please like, share, subscribe, and hope to see you next time.